Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing and making the first moves. Shut off water and disconnect the washer hose so you can see the standpipe and trap clearly. Check for debris and measure the standpipe height. Standard is about 30 to 36 inches to prevent siphoning and backflow. Once measured, decide whether you can tie into an existing vent stack or need an air admittance valve. The why is simple. Air prevents negative pressure that siphons the trap and invites sewer smell. Begin by cutting and cleaning. The pipe ends for a snug fit. Now perform the more complex assembly. Dry fit the vent route first so you can visualize the airflow path and confirm slopes toward the drain. If tying into the house vent, use a Y and gentle 45-degree fittings to avoid turbulence. If code or access prevents that, install a listed air admittance valve just above the standpipe to admit air when the washer cycles. Make sure joints are solvent welded or tightly threaded, and fasten pipes to framing so nothing shifts when the washer pumps. Finish by reconnecting the washer and running a couple of full cycles, watching for gurgling, slow drainage, or water leaving the trap. If you see gurgling or water loss from the trap, that indicates insufficient venting. Raise the vent outlet, convert to a larger vent, or replace the AAV with a new listed unit. The why? Trapped negative pressure pulls water out of the trap, causing sewer gas. Once correct, seal wall penetrations, secure access, and note what you changed for future maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.